Join me as I try to master a full beginner yoga routine in just one take. No edits, just real progress. Welcome to our channel. Today we're simplifying yoga for beginners and showing you how to get started with this amazing practice. Many people feel intimidated by yoga, thinking it's too complex or requires advanced skills. This misconception scares them off from experiencing the numerous benefits that yoga has to offer. In reality, yoga is a practice that can be adapted to suit anyone's needs and abilities. One of the main misconceptions about yoga is that you need to be flexible or athletic to practice it. This couldn't be further from the truth. Yoga is for every body, regardless of age, shape, or size. It's about listening to your body and honoring its limitations. With patience, kindness, and consistency, anyone can develop a strong and stable practice. Another common concern is that yoga is too spiritual or religious. While it's true that yoga has its roots in ancient Indian philosophy, the physical practice itself is separate from any spiritual or religious beliefs. You can practice yoga without delving into its spiritual aspects, focusing solely on the physical and mental benefits. Yoga is also often perceived as being too slow or boring. This is a myth. Yoga can be as challenging or as gentle as you want it to be, depending on the style and intensity you choose. From dynamic vinyasa flows to gentle restorative yoga, there's a style that suits everyone's taste and needs. The last misconception I want to address is that yoga requires a lot of equipment or a special studio. You can practice yoga anywhere, anytime, with or without equipment. All you need is a quiet space, a mat, and an open mind. We'll guide you through some basic poses, breathing techniques, and tips for creating a comfortable practice space at home, ensuring you feel confident as you start your yoga journey. Let's start with the basics. We'll cover some essential breathing techniques, including the Ujjayi breath and the alternate nostril breath. These techniques will help you relax, focus, and connect with your body. We'll also explore some foundational yoga poses, such as mountain pose, downward facing dog, and seated forward fold. These poses will help you build strength, flexibility, and balance. I'll provide you with modifications and adjustments to ensure that each pose feels comfortable and accessible to you. Creating a comfortable practice space at home is crucial for establishing a consistent practice. You don't need a fancy studio or a lot of space. A quiet corner in your bedroom, a peaceful backyard, or even a small balcony will do. I'll share some tips on how to set up your space, including the type of mat to use, how to position your props, and how to minimize distractions. Watch as we demonstrate a simple and effective beginner routine that you can follow along with, making yoga feel achievable and fun. This routine will cover some basic poses, breathing techniques, and a short meditation to help you relax and unwind. Follow along with me as we move through the routine, and don't worry if you can't keep up or need to take breaks. The goal is to listen to your body and honor its limitations. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a competition. As we move through the routine, I'll provide you with gentle reminders and adjustments to help you get the most out of each pose. Don't worry if you feel a bit lost or unsure. It's all part of the learning process. In summary, yoga is for everyone, and with just a few minutes of practice, you can enjoy its many benefits. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more beginner-friendly tips and routines.